Watch this video and learn how to draw a cute, white little bunny.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello.
Hello, Artie.
Hello, little artist.
That's right. Hello, little artists.
Yeah, Artie's in a very good mood.
I'm pleased you're in a good mood, Artie.
Yeah,
What do you want to do?
Artie want a drawing.
You want to do a drawing?
Yeah.
Okay, go and get some paper
Okay.
and some marker pens.
Okay.
Good day, little artists!
Hey, little artists, how's it going?
Okay, you've got your pens and you've got your paper. Are you ready to draw a bunny? Well, let's begin. Let's make some art.
Are you ready to make some art?
I sure am.
Let's start with our bunny's eyes. We're going to draw two sort of egg shapes. One on the left at an angle, and then one connected to the left one on the right. That's it, Artie. Now draw one on the right. Complete the shape and make it look like an egg. Perfect. Now let's draw two little circles at the top, one on the left, one on the right, and shade them in black. Our neighbour has a bunny called Mr. Twinkles. Artie, do you want to go round and visit Mr. Twinkles after we've finished this drawing?
Yeah. Okay.
Now let's draw our bunny's nose, just a tiny little oval shape. Now draw a little W shape underneath. Just two half circles in the shape of a W makes the bunny's mouth. Add an upside down T shape.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Let's draw our bunny's head. We're going to draw a curve on the left and a curve on the right. And then we'll connect those together at the bottom. A big curve around, giving our bunny a cute little chin. Let's complete the top of her head, but let's do three little bump shapes. That's going to be her hair on the top of her head.
Betty, can you tell what it is yet?
Not yet.
Guys, you're going to really tell what it is when Artie draws these ears. A big curved line going to the top, a short straight line down, and then another big curved line coming from the head up to the bottom of that straight line. Let's draw an upside down J shape inside the ear. And then join the bottom to the top. And now we have the inside of our bunny's ear. Time for the left ear. We're going to draw this ear as if it's flopping down. Draw a big U shape with a straight line across the top and two lines coming down towards the head. 1, 2.
This is a great day.
I'm having a blast!
Let's draw our bunny's two cute little feet. A big toe and two smaller toes. What a cute little foot. Let's draw the right foot now. She's already looking really cute, Artie.
Wait.
You want a cartoon break?
Wait.
Okay. Let's stop and have a cartoon break. Artie, let's go and find some things that are coloured white.
Artie loves white. Look, white flowers. Even the clouds are white. Oh, a white bunny. A white swan in the lake.
You found lots of white things today, Artie.
Artie loves white.
That was a great cartoon break, Artie. We learned all about the colour white and your bunny's white. Speaking of your bunny, should we carry on with the drawing?
Okay.
Let's draw a little scroll shape on the right. That's going to be our bunny's back foot. A line from the foot to the end of the scroll. Let's draw a long line from the head all the way down. Perfect. Now let's do the same on the left side. Now let's draw her left back foot. Try and draw it the same as the right one. Oh yes, that's very, very cute, Artie. Get one of those thinner marker pens. Yes, that's it. Let's use the thinner pen to draw the pads on the underside of her feet. 1 oval shape and 3 little circles. 1 more circle. That's it.
That looks fantastic.
Just marvelous.
Now let's do the right foot. An oval and 3 little circles. She looks good, but she's missing something. Oh, I know. Whiskers. She needs some whiskers. Just 3 little lines on the right side and 3 little lines on the left, using the thinner marker pen. Bunnies love to hop around in the grass, so let's draw some blades of grass. Just some spiky squiggles on one side and some spiky squiggles on the other. She looks really happy sat in the grass. You finished? Well, she looks really good, Artie. I can't wait to see how you colour in. Are you ready to do the colouring?
Oh, this is my favorite part.
When Artie adds color?
Yes.
Are you finished, Artie? She looks wonderful. I love the way you used a very pale marker pen for her fur and the pink inside of her ear and on the pads under her feet.
Goodbye, Artie.
Hey kids, have a great day.
Well, thanks for watching, little artists. We hope you were drawing along at home and we hope you have an Artie day. For now, we're going to say bye-bye. Bye-bye.